Welcome to our journey exploring the top 10 wild animals most at risk of extinction on our planet. In third place on this list is the Asian elephant, one of the most impressive and majestic creatures on Earth. There are three main elephant species in the world: the African elephant, Loxodonta africana, the Asian elephant, Elephas maximus, and the forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclatus. The Asian elephant, belonging to the species Elephas maximus, is further divided into three subspecies: the Indian elephant, Elephas maximus indicus, the Sri Lankan elephant, Elephas maximus maximus, and the Bornean elephant, Elephas maximus borneensis. Although smaller in size compared to the African elephant, the Asian elephant remains impressive with its large size and distinctive appearance. Asian elephants typically stand between 2.4 and 3 meters tall at the shoulder and weigh between 2,700 and 4,500 kilograms. They have smaller ears compared to their African relatives and possess curved tusks. Their skin is light gray with sparse hair, particularly noticeable on the head, neck, and legs. Despite their formidable appearance, Asian elephants face severe extinction risks due to habitat loss and human conflict. Asian elephants primarily inhabit tropical and subtropical forests across 13 Asian countries, including India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Indonesia. Although they do not have the vast grasslands found in Africa, they find sufficient food and water in forests, sparse grasslands, and lowland areas. An important aspect of the Asian elephant's life is their seasonal migration habits. They can travel distances ranging from tens to hundreds of kilometers in search of food and water, especially during the dry season. Their incredible memory helps them locate essential resources. In terms of diet, Asian elephants are herbivores, consuming a variety of plant materials such as grass, leaves, fruit, and bark. An adult elephant can consume between 150 and 200 kilograms of food per day. They spend most of the day eating, approximately 16 to 18 hours, and often move slowly through forests to find abundant food sources. The gestation period for Asian elephants lasts around 18 to 22 months, one of the longest in the animal kingdom. After birth, the calf is entirely dependent on its mother's milk for the first 6 months of life. They only consume milk to get the necessary nutrients. From 6 months old, the calf begins to learn to eat grass, leaves, and bark, but continues to nurse until it is about 2 to 3 years old. This transition happens gradually, with the calf learning to eat by observing the adult elephants in the herd. Asian elephants are highly social animals, living in complex herd structures. Herds are usually led by a mature female, with other females and young elephants living together. Members of the herd have close-knit relationships and frequently communicate through low-frequency sounds, body signals, and scents. The herd supports each other in caring for young elephants, finding food, and protecting each other from threats. Despite being large and powerful animals, Asian elephants face threats from nature. While they do not have many natural predators, young elephants can be preyed upon by predators such as tigers in specific areas. However, the greatest threat to them comes from humans. Habitat loss due to urbanization and deforestation has reduced their living areas. Human-wildlife conflict occurs when elephants enter human settlements in search of food. Poaching and illegal trade are also significant threats, although less prevalent than with African elephants. Current conservation efforts for Asian elephants focus on protecting their habitats, preventing poaching, and minimizing human-wildlife conflict. Organizations and projects are working diligently to establish reserves and implement sustainable management practices to help this species recover. Asian elephants are not only an essential part of the ecosystem, but also symbols of strength and intelligence. Their survival depends on our conservation efforts and understanding. Let's work together to protect these magnificent animals and ensure they continue to thrive in the future.